I got my license shortly after retiring from 25 years of service with the Sheriff's Office. Enjoyed helping clients reach their goals, just really have a fascination with real estate, passionate about what I do. We decided to open up our own firm, taking all of our strengths from the family and just putting it together to service our clients.
I've had my real estate license for over 3 years now. I started actually at a couple different firms, and because I believe in need within the industry, I reached out to my family and we decided to start our own practice in a way that we can best serve our clients.
A lot of people ask me what I specialize in, and I have to say from the beginning, I've always done about 50% commercial, 50% residential. I've done fully renovations, house flips with residential clients, and with my commercial clients, I've done a lot of corporate offices, worked with developers, and done model home staging.
Being in the real estate business for many years and working with a lot of people that relocate to the area, it's so important to have someone that they can trust. I think the unique value we add is twofold. One is having an in-house nationally recognized designer to provide insights to sellers is just unparalleled in the industry. And we're a family business that provides integrity, honesty, and professionalism no matter what we do.
We really sit down with you and make sure that we understand what your vision and what your needs are for your space. When I work on commercial design projects, I work with an architect and help design floor plan and reflected ceiling plans. Within that, we help you select finishes and materials, and then project manage with the contractor for a full design and project management service. When you reach out to Zachos Design Group, the first process is for us to sit down and go over your design vision, your budget, and what your project is. Once we settle on your vision, we then meet with my vendors and I work with my database to pull finishes and materials that will work perfect for your project. The next phase then would be to order and process all these items so that we make sure they're ready for you on your move-in or delivery day.
When it comes to listing a property, we really truly believe in a three-step process called preparing, pricing, and promoting. And what we do is we take a tour of the home, we bring in our interior designer, we use the pictures or the actual visit from the designer, and then we prepare recommendations for our seller. We do this by wanting to show the home in its best light. So once we have those recommendations, we give them to the seller, we come up with a plan, and then we launch our photography, our marketing, so that we can show your home in the best light possible. Once we do this, we promote your home on numerous different websites. In addition to that, we do active paid marketing and place your home in front of as many buyers as possible.
We have a turnkey, easy, efficient solution, whether you're a buyer, investor, whatever it may be. We utilize technology, utilizes my background in branding and marketing, my sister's background in interior design, to hopefully make it a seamless and easy process for you. We pride ourselves in transparency, honesty, integrity, and we will do anything we can to help you feel confident and empowered in your decision in buying or selling real estate. If you're interested in learning more about who we are and what we do and our services, feel free to contact us, and we would love the opportunity to talk to you and build a relationship with you and show you how we can help achieve your dreams and goals.